Welcome to our Korean dessert factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cream roll cakes are made, from simple ingredients to the soft,
Our automated systems ensure a consistently thin layer of soft sponge batter is deposited onto the trays before entering the massive tunnel ovens you see here.
Every roll is carefully formed to achieve the perfect balance of cake and cream.
Every dessert is inspected before reaching customers.
And that's how delicious cream roll cakes are made, from fresh ingredients to beautifully crafted desserts enjoyed around the world. Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.